What's going on, Mad Fisherman? Guess what we're doing today? Some pike fishing. That's what we're doing. Oh yeah, I've been waiting to do some pike fishing. I tried walleye fishing earlier today to make a video, but that totally failed. My buddy's out right now catching some walleyes. He's already caught 3 or 4 or something like that. So yeah, he's doing better than I am. But right now we're gonna do some pike fishing. Got the kayak all set, ready to go, as you can see, and we're gonna go catch some pike. Small ones, mediums, bigs. Let's go. We got a pike. Oh, seems like a nice one. Why am I setting this loose? Let's see. Do I always get the big ones? I might have got a little one. Oh, it's just a little dink. It's just a little dink. He seems like he's bigger, but it's just a little dink. He smacked it right on the thing though. Little guy. Just a little guy. There he goes. First pike. Oh, look at him go, look at him go, look at him go, look at him go. Look at him go. He gets smoked at the moment it hit. I wonder if that's a bass or pike. I think it might be a bass. I don't think it's a pike. He gets smoked at the moment it went flying. Is it a pike? I think it is a pike. Oh, that's a nice pike. Look at that. Look at that. He's just going here. He's really going. Okay. Oh, it's a decent pike. It's a decent pike. Up here. Got him. Got him. Got him. I got him. Did a twirl of death here. Oh, nice little pike. Little aggressive guy. Yeah. Let's take a picture. Take another picture. And let's release him. Oh, okay. Okay, buddy. Go this way. Oh, he's stuck in the net. Okay. See that, folks? He's stuck in the net. And there he goes. There he goes. Nice. Let's keep going. See, I knew there was pike in here, in this area. The moment I literally cast it hit, I thought it was a bass, because the moment it smacked that water, he smoked it. He literally smoked it so fast. And then I didn't even have time to get the GoPro ready to go. I was like, GoPro, turn it on. I was trying to get it all ready. Do we have another one? Oh, what do we have here? Oh my God, we have somebody's lure. We have somebody's lure, look at this. Somebody's damn lure. Use that crankbait. What is this? See what happens when you're fishing? And somebody else's line here. And they're using braided line. Ain't that big a fish in here for braided line. Ugh. God damn it. Alright, that was a little disastrous. Line stuck all on my line. Took me like 10 minutes to get unstuck. Sucked. See if we can try to get another pike. But like I was saying, that pike has smoked it so fast. Like the moment it hit the water, he hit it. And I'm using, oh, this line, I need to change my line. I'm using a Toronto wobbler, Lucky Strike. I love these. My 2 biggest pike have been on this lure. Not, oh, that was a hit. That was a hit. That was a hit. Let's try that again. See if he's still there. See if he's still there. Pretty sure that was a hit. We'll keep trying over here though. Let's go. Catch me a pike. It's really shallow in here, which is good, but wonder how warm it is out here. They'll be hitting these warm. Oh, we got something. What is it? What the hell is that? Is that a pike or a bass? No, this looks like a trout. A little pike. Oh, it is a little pike. It's just a little guy. Just a little dinkers. It's so cute. Ugh. Okay, holy. You need to relax. Okay. You need to relax. Here. Pliers are stuck. Gonna get him so cut. Now he's stuck. See what you did to yourself? God damn, you little bastard. Hang on for 1 second. Get these out of you. God, they're really hooked in there. There we go. There we go. Nice little pike. Another one. Look at this little back bay. This looks beautiful. This looks like there's pike for sure. There's got to be at least 3-4 pike in here. For sure. For sure. Let's get up real nice and close here. Looks like there's already lily pads and stuff being grown out here. Let's see if we can get something. There's gotta be something back here, for sure. Gotta be some pike back here. If my thing would just stop being retarded for a second. And my lure's at the bottom of the lake. Awesome. Didn't mean that for that to happen. Come on, there's gotta be a pike in here. I know there's a pike in here. Look at those lily. I'm not sure if that's really shallow or that's lily pads, but I'm pretty sure that's lily pads. And this time of the year, that's kind of rare. Because it's still, it just started getting warm. It's a weird opener this year. Water levels should have been much, I mean the water temperatures should have been warmer than they are. They should be in the 60s by now, but we've just had such a shitty weather. Such shitty weather the last like couple weeks. But now it's finally up in the mid-20s, so this is good. I know there's got to be a pike in here, for sure. This is pike territory written all over it. Oh, definitely need to switch this rod. It's going to be a bass rod. And I'm going to get a better rod. I mean, I have a better rod coming, so. Oh yeah, look at those lily pads. Oh yeah. So my last shot of my fourth pike that I caught, I just realized that it was on time warp. So I'm an idiot and recorded on time warp. So I'll figure something out. Look at that snapping turtle right there. A freaking big snapping turtle. Just chilling. Imagine he actually bit the lure. I'd be screwed. I wouldn't know how to get him off. I don't think they're that fast though. Last couple casts before we get out of here. See if there's any pikers. I saw 2 girls catching pike here. Like 2 pike before I even got in the kayak. So maybe there's still more kicking around here. Pike are dumb. Sometimes the little ones will hit again. Just work this little area here. See what we can find. I remember last year I was came down here after I got my license and I was like playing with the Ned rig, going for some smallies, and I ended up catching a pike on the Ned rig, which is totally fine with me. I mean, pike don't bother me at all. I know a lot of people hate pike. Hate catching them, hate touching them. Me, I love it. Love the little guys. I don't think there's any around here. Water temps have got to be at 60 by now. I think that's going to be it today. Pike fishing, that is. Thought we'd hit at least one more, but I could have easily slammed another 5 today, but I'm tired. I didn't get much sleep last night, so that's why we're gonna call it a little bit earlier than expected. I wanted to be out longer, but if I had an extra couple hours of sleep last night, at least if I slept for 5-6 hours, I would have put out more. But one last cast, and that's it. That's what we're gonna call her. That will be the last cast. GoPro, stop recording.